Right, Ankita.
Yes, sir.
So you have gone to SSB before,
Yes, sir.
right? And your first time doing Olive Greens training, I
Yes, sir.
suppose. So you tell me now, what was the reason you feel that you could not get selected?
Yes,
Yes.
sir. So earlier I've been to SSB, and after introspecting myself, I came to know that few of the areas I need to work. That was my general awareness, physical strength, because I was only able to do 6 obstacles at that time. After that, sir, I saw that I have to come up with more logical ideas during the group task, and so I have to work more on my interview part. So these were the areas where I came to know that I need to work a lot, sir.
Okay, so you have been doing trainings almost 2 weeks or over. What have you learned in Olive Greens which you feel, yes, probably I could improve in the coming days, because you got time till December?
Yes, sir.
So how you could improve this? Okay, after some time. थोड़ी देर के बाद.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you tell me, how do you improve this? Now, what have you understood in this training program?
Yes, sir. So I'll start from the screening process, which I learned here. It was about the narration and how we have to write a PPT story. So sir explained everything in detail, and it was very crystal clear for me. And during GD also, I got few tips like where I have to enter into the GD. If it is too much of chaos, how I have to handle the GD,
Okay.
and how logically I have to give a point so that assessor could catch my words, and I get a grace marks and I get screen in, sir.
Okay.
Then coming to psychological test part, sir. In TAT, I learned how to write a good TAT stories where actions are very important, which have to be 5 to 6 lines. So this I learned it earlier. I did not know so much about it. And then again, sir, for the VAT, I learned tricks to write the VAT sentences. That quality of sentence matter much more rather than just writing a normal sentence, because quality gives us more marks and it also helps in merit also.
So Ankita, if you remember, I told you, all of you in fact, that it is not your performance at the SSB which matters. It is the changes you have made in your personality which matters.
Yes, sir.
So stop preparing for SSB as such. You have to prepare to become a leader in life.
Yes, sir.
So you have to start thinking differently. Your whole perspective about the thinking process should change.
Yes, sir.
You understand? So that's what you need to do in the coming days. Till December you have time, and we will organize you into online training also after this, and
Yes,
we will
sir.
monitor it. And we will see, definitely next time you are going to clear assessment.
Yes,
okay?
sir. I
All the
will clear
best.
next time, sir.
Good day.
Thank you, sir.
कितने मिनट हुए?